The AstroAI portable inflator uses lithium battery, or it can work off of the car power. We're going to go ahead and turn it on here. One of the neat features about this one is you've got the mode over here, and you can adjust the pressure. It's going to, with the units that the pressure is going to be in. You can also adjust the mode between car, motorcycle, bicycle, and basketball. So we're going to fill up a basketball here first. We'll take the basketball inflator, open this up, insert it, and lock it again. And now we can insert that into the basketball valve place here and pull the trigger. It's going to automatically inflate to just 3 pounds of pressure. There we go, inflated in no time. Now we can take out the ball inflator valve, head over to this bicycle tire, change the mode to bicycle, and take off its cap, put this on the Schrader valve, lock it on, begin inflating. In no time, we're inflated. Comes right off. And now, without any, this is great for an RV or something, we can jump to a standard inflator. And we can go to our air mattress. And begin to inflate it. This is a dual air mattress, so it'll take a little time to inflate, but you get the idea. This is great for an RV, great for going camping, great for the pool, great for the lake. It'll inflate your floating things, it'll inflate your sports toys. Thanks to AstroAI for sending us this one. Very well made and capable portable inflator.